All right, well, today is May the 2nd, 2018, and right now at 11 p.m., we have a temperature of 53 degrees in the foothills of Los Angeles. The relative humidity is 79%. The dew point is 47 degrees, and we have the barometers on the rise. The pressure has been pumped up to 30.10 inches, and that's because of this huge area, this huge dome of high pressure, this blockade of high pressure, which has been installed to block this weather out here and also this tropical moisture field right here. This is the Western U.S. water vapor map. We can see some severe thunderstorms developing on the backside of this low pressure system that was over California yesterday and the day before. When this system was over California, we got 5/100ths of an inch of rain. And as we can see, as it moves to the east, we have a severe thunderstorm development as this moves out over the into the Midwest. But when this storm was over, or rather this developing gale was over California, where we have anywhere from 5 to 12 and 15, well, not 15, but we've got Mount Whitney, that's 14,494, I believe. But this huge area of the High Sierra provides plenty of lift as this weather moves to the east, and so the fact that we got really nothing from this system here, but yet as it moves to the east, we see all of this development allowed to occur. And so we have a problem. We've got climate control by these people, these terrorists that are controlling our weather. And the fact that this here is going to bring us probably 88 to 90 degree weather over the weekend, depending on which forecast you watch. But the fact that these terrorists can do this, they can part high pressure over the West Coast over several days' time, and that will raise the average temperature over several days' time. That will raise the average temperature for that month, and that will give that will bolster the argument that they're making, the global warming argument, when you artificially create weather that has high temperatures days on end, and that's what this is going to provide, not only over the weekend, but starting Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then throughout the next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These temperatures on the west throughout California are going to be in the high 80s, mid to high 80s. So the people that are doing this are creating their own, they're bolstering their own argument. That is, they're getting away with this. The media is not reporting it. And so the average temperatures will naturally rise because of what is going on right here. Let's take a look at some of the other maps. We have the infrared map here. We can see the high pressure going in right here. And we see all this very deep water vapor over here through the Midwest and the South. If we look at the Doppler map right now, we can see the severe weather all through Texas, Oklahoma, and out all the way through up into Illinois and Iowa, and just a lot of severe weather. The fact that this is being allowed, these thunderstorms are being allowed to develop, while at the same time, over here, we're not allowed to get any rain, is really criminal. And the people on TV, you people are word for it is insubordinate. You know, this is very, very bad stuff. People should be reporting this kind of activity. The fact that this is being allowed to occur, but over here we're getting 5/100ths of an inch. At a loss for words. It's so corrupt. And that here, look at here. This is the Northeast Pacific water vapor loop. We have a tropical moisture field right here. This is partial jet stream flow right here. High pressure built in right here, which has broken up this flow pattern. We can see it, the rest of it right here. The tail end of this is moving and joining up with this flow pattern right through Mexico. So we've got a high pressure installation right here as well. And of course, this is going to block this weather pattern here, this system, and this eastbound tropical moisture flow. Here is the surface analysis map, and they're showing the high pressure right here. You can see a big trough right through here, right up and down the west coast. Yet there's no rain. Let's go back to that Doppler map and look at the west coast here. We can see no rain. There's some just a smattering of showers here on the eastern side of the High Sierra and into southern Nevada, but nothing else. So we have this system here, which is being blocked. This has a large occluded front. If we go back to the map, we can see what's happening right here. The system is being manipulated. We can see a dark area right here. Transmitter manipulation right there on that frontal system. Right here we can see the effect. They've completely separated the center of the low, which is right here, and all the moisture that was wrapping into that low. So that's what the transmitters do. They completely isolate the low and dry it out. And then this moisture field just drifts away and eventually dissipates. You spray over this with chemtrail chemicals, chemtrail haze. And here we have the SSEC water vapor map for the west coast. I could not bring up the east coast map tonight. It wasn't working. But here we see that stationary installed high pressure. And this approaching low right here. And we have the this tropical jet stream flow right here, which is being blocked by this secondary installation of high pressure right there. These are satellite transmitters at work manipulating our weather covertly. The mainstream media, the fake news mainstream media, is not reporting this. And of course, when you can raise temperatures like this for days on end, that will bolster the argument that we have global warming. Okay, so that's it. We'll try to get another update tomorrow. We'll just leave it right here. All right, that's it.